Today, I will share a story about going to the dentist with you to help you understand the variation of the four tones. One day, I went to see the dentist, and the doctor asked me to open my mouth wide. It's flat, like an open mouth sound. After examining my teeth, the doctor said, I have a lot of cavities. And I said, The second tone, rising up like, what? Surprising sound. Then the doctor said, it is best to pull out the tooth today. The third tone, falling down and then rising up, like, well, a thinking sound. I was considering whether to do it or not. Finally, the doctor said the treatment cost is $5,000. I said, the four tones, falling down sharply, like no, an angry sound. In summary, open mouth sound. What? Surprising sound. Well, thinking sound. No, angry sound. It's easy to remember, right? And with the proper practice, I think you can master the pronunciation of Pinyin.